Hi friends, can you find the cube root of 15,625?
Wait!
The answer is 25.
How do you get that?
Before we begin, it is important that you learn the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. If you don't know them yet, then take time to learn them in your head. I'll go over with them now, and if you want to learn, then repeat after me. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. And finally, 10 cube is 1000. So make sure that you learn this cube from 1 to 10 because this is the core or the foundation for this trick. And if you don't know this, it will be very hard for you to perform this trick mentally.
Now, we can start learning the trick. Let's begin with a table of the numbers from 1 to 10 under cubes, and also the last digit of those cubes. It's easy to figure out what's the last digit of those cubes there is when you realize that a number and its last digit on the table. You can see right there that those are exact same for 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 0. And those they flip for 2 and 8, 3 and 7. So that means number 2 corresponds to the last digit of 8 and vice versa. And number 7 corresponds to the last digit of 3 and vice versa. And then the other numbers corresponds to itself.
Let's start trying to figure out what was the cube root of 17,576 was. How can you figure it out? Well, it's actually just two really simple and easy steps. Step 1. Look at the last digit of our number. In this case, we can tell that the last digit of our number is 6 because if we take a look at our table right here, we can find out that 6 corresponds to the last digit of 6. Next, we can completely ignore the last 3 digits of our number and start focus on 17. The closest cube to 17 without getting over here is 8, which is 2 cubed. So 2 is the first digit and 6 is the second digit. Therefore, the cube root of 17,576 was 26.
What is the cube root of 74,088? Let's find out. First, take a look at the last digit of our number, which is 8. Then looking at the table of the cube of the numbers from 1 to 10, we can see that 8 corresponds to 2. Therefore, the last digit of our answer is 2. Next, ignore the last 3 digits of our number and take a look at the remaining number, which is 74. Then, looking at the table, the closest cube to 74 without going over is 64, and that is 4 cubed. Therefore, the first digit of our answer is 4. So we have the cube root of 74,088 is 42.
Now, let's try to figure out the cube root of 29,791. First, we can tell by the last digit 1 that the last digit of our answer is also 1 because if we take a look of our table right here, we can easily figure out that number 1 corresponds to the last digit 1. Next, we can now ignore the last 3 digits of our number and focus on 29. The closest cube to 29 is 27, which is 3 cubed. So the first digit of our answer is 3. So we can now tell that the cube root of 29,791 is 31.
Much for watching this video.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel now.
And once again, thank you for watching!